Master English Skills 2024.
Lesson 32.
Have not. Haven't.
Have I got a reservation?
No, you haven't got a reservation.
Reservation. Double room. Single room. Telephone. Suitcase. Bathroom. Television.
Note: remember to turn on subtitles to better understand the content.
Have I got a double room?
No, you haven't got a double room.
Have I got a single room?
No, you haven't got a single room.
Have I got a telephone?
No, you haven't got a telephone.
Have I got a suitcase?
No, you haven't got a suitcase.
Have I got a bathroom?
No, you haven't got a bathroom.
Have I got a television?
No, you haven't got a television.
Have I got a television? Have I got a bathroom? Have I got a suitcase? Have I got a telephone? Have I got a single room? Have I got a double room?
No, you haven't got a television. No, you haven't got a bathroom. No, you haven't got a suitcase. No, you haven't got a telephone. No, you haven't got a single room. No, you haven't got a double room.